This how to 1 minute will show you how to embed YouTube video in WordPress website. So first of all, log into your WordPress dashboard and hover over on plugin. Click on add new. Click on search plugins and write here embed press and install this plugin and activate it. Once the plugin activated, you will get this embed press option here. So click on it and you will jump into this page. Now click on platforms, click on YouTube. Now you can customize the settings from here. You can change start time, end time. You can select autoplay. You can change the progress bar color. And then click on save changes. Now I'm going to my post section and editing this post because I want to embed my YouTube video into this post. It's time to copy your YouTube video link. So go to YouTube and copy your video link. And here click on add block. And search here embed press, and here you will get the embed press. Select this. Now enter here your YouTube video link. Click on embed, and as you can see, the YouTube video has been embedded. And to change the video height and width, click on the video and you can change the video size. And to make the video responsive, select here responsive, and from here you can change the video width and click on update. Let's view the post, and as you can see, I've successfully embedded the YouTube video here. And now let's embed our YouTube video using Elementor. So open the page where you want to embed the YouTube video and click on edit with Elementor. And here I'm adding a section and clicking on this plus icon, selecting this structure, clicking on this plus icon, and here searching for embed press, clicking on it, dragging it here, and now pasting here my YouTube video link. As you can see, it's embedded. And now click on style, and now you can change the video width and height. Then go to advanced, and to make the video center, here you will find align self. Here select center and click on update. And this is how we can embed YouTube video in WordPress website. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.